Chakaritukuria ritukuria Jumatano abwasiritukuria rero nigo Gavana wa Kisii aikirana ensemo ya Kisii School koigurira bene chigosoro chwe satebire na nyare kwene kivuna bune serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii nyare gusire mirobirire ngete chess ase chinsemo au ime county.
I used to be a chess player when I was a small boy. Now I think because of the politics again, I'm sure I've forgotten it completely. But I'm happy that the children, they are involved in this the outside class activity. It's important. It's an earning again, as football, as as athletics. It's a good game. Actually it causes employment. Yes. Therefore, the only thing I'll say is that if our children again they indulge themselves in the extra curriculum activities, it's a benefit for gaining their growth. Chess gives critical thinking, and it helps the growth of the children's way of thinking on resolving issues. It's something that I would want to have. Again, I've asked the teacher from Cardinal that she has told me I'll take around 2 hours just to awaken my skills of chess. I'm sure that again, out of what I've seen now, the involvement, because the whole country is around, I have no option other than reinventing now. Is not actually we may not